العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا صدق الله العظيم. Respected President, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am excited to talk about something really cool, Islam and science. Dear audience, in the present time, it is a general question arising in a mind which thinks something about this modern age. The age of science and technology, the age of invention and discoveries. And the question is, what is the relation between Islam and science? And what is an Islamic approach to science? And does Islam have any harmony with the modern science? Dear audience, first of all, it is necessary to clarify that Islam is the eternal and perfect religion of Allah. It is in complete harmony with the human nature, so it can never be contrary to the laws of nature. Its teachings and doctrines can run with the ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental cannot accept any change. Allah has perfected it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever, as He said, "Inna ad-deena 'inda Allahi Islam." On the other hand, science is a systematic study and knowledge of natural and physical phenomena. It is a developing and growing process. It accepts changes and incorporates modification. Once it proves something, while on the other occasion it rejects it and claims something else. Dear friends, it should also be noted that science is of two types. First is experimental. It comprises experiment and experience. The second type consists of theories and concepts. The first type of experimental, it is in complete accordance with Islam, and it does not go against Islam anyway. Rather, it has proved Islamic teachings and concepts with its discoveries and conventions, like the science of medicine, agriculture, and so on. While the other kind of science which carries theories of concept, it does not favor the Islamic concept at various occasions, like the theories about the universe, the sun, the sky, etc. But it may not harm Islam, because we believe and the history of Islam testifies it, that Islam is true whatever it says, though we know or not, and science accepts changes times to times. Dear brothers and elders, in short, science does not create any problem for us, but also it testifies its truth. The Holy Quran and Hadith are best made with science. Rather, they are reliable source of information for the scientists. Let me say, the Quran and Hadith does not need for the scientist for their reliability. Now I conclude my speech. Thank you.